All right, folks, we are on Icon of the Seas, and we're going to do a room tour of room 9542. As you can see, it's in the front of the ship. Let's take a look. Now, room 9542 is a junior suite. There we go, the lights for the bathroom. Got a couple US outlets right there, which are very handy. Single vanity for the sink. Got a couple shelves there for storage. And then a really good job on Icon of the Seas. It's giving you plenty of options for storage. You got a full shower. There we go. Give you another look at this. Have the other lights off. There we go. Full length mirror. You have a digital thermostat here. Master switch for the room. Closet here with some robes. Got your little Wi-Fi router right there. You get very good signal here, which is nice. On the back of the door, you have your emergency information, including your muster station. Ours is B1. So we move along here. Got a couple other shelves. Little hanger for those wet swimsuits. Very good place to hang up a hat. Got your safe. 3 drawers down here. Additional place to hang up your clothing. I like these nice sliding glass doors. There's a nice touch. More closet space. No shortage of closet space in these junior suites on Icon of the Seas. I really like the separate little vanity area here. Hair dryer. It's nice that it's completely separated from the rest of the room. So if you have someone that needs the mirror to get ready in the morning, they've got their own little private area there to get ready. And you can still move freely about the room. Got a European outlet here. A couple little cubbies for storage. You have your breakfast menu if you'd like some room service for breakfast. All you have to do is fill out your stateroom number, the number of guests, and the desired delivery time. Now on the inside, you have continental breakfast on the left, which is complimentary, and American breakfast on the right, which is an additional charge. Simply hang that on your door, and you can have your breakfast delivered to you. This nice, interesting little book here that has a lot of the artwork that's on Icon of the Seas. Nice little touch. You have the refrigerator here. Espresso machine. Here's your seating area. Nice full-size couch. You'll notice a little handle right there. This does pull out into a bed. A little bistro table. Nice little chair. You got your television here for the room, which does pull out from the wall. And a Royal King. Now, one nice additional touch. You have light switches here. So when you want to shut off your room lights at the end of the night, don't have to leave your bed to do it. On this side, there is a US outlet as well as some USB outlets. Very important. Good place to charge your phone. Now, let's go out to the balcony. This is a nice open, spacious balcony. Got a nice lounge chair there, a little bistro table. Got a larger table there and 2 additional chairs. You have a light that runs across right here. There's actually a light switch just along the inside wall to turn that on and off. We're currently in Port of Miami. We haven't left yet, as you can see. But as soon as we leave port, we'll have an absolutely beautiful view of the ocean for the next 7 days. And that, folks, is room 9542 on Icon of the Seas. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to answer them. I check them on a regular basis. Hit that thumbs up button for me if you would. Also subscribe. It's free to do so, and it really helps me out. If you enjoy these room tours and like to see more, that's the best way to keep them coming. Also be on the lookout for an additional video. I'll be comparing the junior suites on Icon of the Seas to the grand suites, and also comparing them to a standard balcony ocean view room, so you can see the similarities and the differences. Thanks for watching, and happy sailing.